it's your girl Stushy back with another video. If you are new, then hey boo, my name is Stushy. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, comment hey boo down below. That way I can respond to you guys in the comments. I hope you guys do subscribe if you are new and join the gang. Also turn on your post notifications so that way you are alerted every single time your girl uploads. And before we get into the video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up for me down below. So today I'm going to be giving you guys this look. I filmed a video yesterday. I'll leave it linked up above. But I filmed the quarantine and chill playlist video for you guys, and I put this look up on Instagram and everybody was like tutorial, tutorial, tutorial. So here we are. So I literally recreated the exact same look that I did yesterday. So if you are interested in seeing how I got this look, then definitely stay tuned.
While Patchy pulls himself together.
This close enough for y'all? Okay, so you guys know we're gonna recreate the look, so we're gonna dive right in. I have my mini James Charles palette. I only use, I want to say, 2 shadows from here, and my Plan and Makeup by Yolanda palette. So if you guys haven't already checked out my last video, it's one of my last videos because I've been, you know, uploading like motherfucker.
Yes, honey.
I swatched, reviewed, and like played with this palette on another video. I'll leave that linked above somewhere if you guys want to check that out. But yeah, we're gonna be using the Plan and Makeup by Yolanda palette. So when I swatched that palette, if you go check that video out, I wasn't really like fond of the glitters because I'm like, my eyes are super sensitive, so I was never really a glitter gal. But today we're playing in glitters, as you guys can see from the intro. Let me open up my James Charles palette, and I'm going right in with black. I literally have all my shadows, all my brushes that I used from yesterday. I'm going to be using the same exact brushes, and I'm going to put it right in my crease. Start packing it in. I didn't know that you guys were gonna like that look. If you don't follow me on Instagram, definitely follow me on there because I post a lot of things over on there, and I mean, just to be in the know, you wouldn't follow me. Especially when it relates to videos, I post a lot of stuff regarding videos, like YouTube videos on there. So you guys see that pigment? I have my eyes already primed, but James, he did not come to play with this palette, honey. I'm kind of mad that I slept on it for so long, but it's alright. We're caught up now. We're here now. And I'm packing that in. So I don't even know what day it is of quarantine, but I'm alright. Like, I'm a homebody anyway. Like, I like going out. Let me not say that I'm a homebody, but I like going out, but I love being at home as well. Like, I'm also an only child, so I could be at home, I could be by myself for a while, for a long periodic of time, and not get bored. So I'm totally enjoying this, working on our craft during this time. And I feel like anyone that's at home just doing nothing, try to work on something. I mean, now's the time. That's where we are with that. Okay, now I'm going to be using more like a pencil brush. I think this is a pencil brush, and I'm going to go in with my James Charles palette again, but I'm going to be going in with this shade right here, this orange shade right here. Really nice orange shade. And I'm literally going to place it right above the black. I'm just going to stamp it right above the black. It might look like I'm going for something very Halloween-y, right? Now that I've packed my orange in, we look like that. Now I'm using that same brush that I used for the orange, and I'm just gonna blend these two. Just trying to get rid of that line of demarcation. If you need to go in and add more orange, then do so. I did do that as well. And take as long as you need. Blend it to the best of your ability. I'm still working on my blending skills, but practice makes perfect, and that's a fact. You really could be here forever blending. Let me tell y'all that, okay? So this is where we are, looking crazy. Trust me, I know. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease, or attempt to cut the crease. I'm just gonna use some concealer and get that done. That's where we are right now. Bear in mind, it's not perfect, but we are gonna go in with glitter and stuff, so we don't really need it to be cut with such precision. So I'm gonna leave it as is. Now I'm going to switch to my Plan and Makeup by Yolanda palette, which is this big one right here, this big one right here. And I'm gonna put my other mirror down because I need 2 hands to hold this. I'm gonna be going in with Shireen, which is this color right here. It is a matte blue, bright ass blue color, and I'm gonna pat it on the lid. That's not bad, y'all, for a blue matte. That ain't bad. I'm going back in with a little black. Just a little bit more here as well. I'm doing a bit more blending, as you guys could see. I'm gonna go back into the Plain and Makeup by Yolanda Jamrock Extreme palette, and I'm gonna be using the shade Va. So yesterday, matter of fact, I'm gonna just show y'all what I did yesterday. So initially I went in with the color, right? Well, with the glitter. It comes up on my brush. I'm gonna just put it down first so you guys see. It shows up, but what I went ahead and did was wet my brush. So I'm gonna wet it with some of my Evian water, be bougie. Then I'm gonna go back into that color. Isn't that pretty? That's so pretty. This is making my soul smile. No Janae Eiko.
That make my soul smile.
Who caught that reference? That's the eyes right now, y'all. So I'm gonna do my face off camera, and I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna also pop on the exact same lashes that I put on yesterday, but don't worry, we'll be right back. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I'm gonna go back into my James Charles palette. I did pop on some lashes. These are Stush from my brand Capra NYC. If you didn't know, you girl just have a lash brand. I say it every now and then, but if you're a triple OG, triple SG, then you know. So yeah, Stush is on the lashes. Now I'm going to work that same orange color, this one right here, my lower lash line. Grab my mirror again. Oh, somebody text me. Oh Lord. Alrighty. I'm also gonna run it back up this way. I don't know how to explain it, but you see the motion. Back up into that black. Yes. I'm going in with some mascara, and I'm going to apply some to my lower lashes. This is the Fenty Beauty mascara. I love her, like, bruh. And in case you guys are wondering, I am also using Hot Chocolate. This is from Fenty Beauty. I'm using that. Brown lip liner down first, just to line my lips, and then I went in with this. Should we do slow-mos? Yes, let me get out of this, and I'm gonna zoom out and let's do some slow-mos. Hang on. So we have officially reached the end of today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial, this recreation, whatever this may have been. A lot of you guys were asking for this, so I hope you guys are all here tuned in all of the way till the end. Go ahead and comment an orange heart if you have made it to the end, because you guys did vote for this look, so that way I know my time has not been wasted. If you haven't already subscribed, be sure to do so, and we got a lot more content on the way, boo, so you don't want to miss out on any of that. Also turn on your post notification bell and go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye. If you haven't checked out one of my while the video is fresh, so with no further ado, that was kind of corny. It's okay, we'll just transition right here. Stick around. Love to see you guys. And while we're filmed the video yesterday, we've never, and go ahead and thumbs. I'll see you guys all in the next one.